I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you change a light on your VW Golf. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Gather your essential tools, which typically include a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always refer to your car's owner's manual to confirm the exact bulb specifications for your model. Now let's access the light. Begin by opening the hood of your VW Golf. Look behind the headlight unit. You will see the electrical connector. Gently press the small tab on the connector and pull it away from the bulb housing. Next, you will need to remove the protective cover, which usually twists off with a quarter turn counterclockwise, revealing the bulb itself. With the cover off, you can now remove the old bulb. Depending on the bulb type, you might unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb a quarter turn to release it. Carefully pull out the old bulb. When handling the new bulb, always hold it by its base. Never touch the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into its socket. Finally, let's put everything back together. Replace the protective cover, twisting it clockwise until it's secure. Reconnect the electrical plug, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Once everything is reassembled, close your car's hood. Turn on your vehicle's lights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Also, check that both headlights are illuminated and appear to be aligned properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.